I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. All you need is a piece of paper and some tape. So what you're going to do is trying to take the right corner and fold it over to make this right triangle. Make sure you flatten out the side. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold this corner, this end of the corner, over here. Remember to flatten it out. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the top and fold it down, making another little triangle like this. Then what you're going to do is fold it on the little triangle. So make sure that when you're folding it, it's like on, so it's like you want to fold it to make it even. So push down. Now what you're going to do is actually going to take your tape that you have, and you're going to put it on this part because there's a little flap right here. So I'm going to actually round the tape up like so, and like that. And place the tape on here. Okay, and then I'm going to push down on it. So now this will never come back up. So now what you're going to do is you're going to make little flaps. So you're going to bring down one of the sides, and then you're going to try to line it up and bring it down again. Now at this part of the stage, they should be even and nice. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold just a little. Do not bend it all the way. That's going to mess it up. Just make a little crease so that way it stands like so. You don't want to put it down. You just want to let it stand. And you do that for the other side. And then your paper airplane should be done. If you want to, you can add more tape for this part right here, which I highly recommend. But other than that, it's a really good paper airplane, and I will show you how it flies. So here is the look of it. It's pretty nice. I'm going to move the camera. It's really nice. I'm going to get some more tape. Okay, so I have my tape. I'm going to put the tape on right here, this little middle, so that way it doesn't unfold